Hi! In this tutorial I will show you how to make laser blaster sound effects in Audacity. First start by going to Tracks, add new audio track, then go to Generate Chirp, make a Sawtooth starting at 1200 Hz, going to 50 Hz at an amplitude of 0.7 throughout. Use linear interpolation in the duration of 0.2 seconds. Next, duplicate it by going to Edit Duplicate, select the second track, and slide it to the right by 0.015 seconds. Then cut off the first 0.15 seconds. Select all using Ctrl A and go to Tracks, Mix and Render. Now add an effect using Effect Phaser and set the parameters to 2 stages, dry wet 200, LFO frequency 0.7, LFO start phase 0, depth 70, and feedback 0. Now create a new track and there generate noise. White noise, amplitude 0.8, duration 0.2. Now apply Effect Fade Out and duplicate. Select the new track, fade out again, and use Effect Change Speed to 111%. Now duplicate that again, select the new track, Effect Fade Out and Effects Change Speed 111 again. Select the first noise track, go to Effect Low Pass Filter, at a Rolloff of 6 dB, set the cutoff frequency to 50, then Amplify, Effect Amplify, just use the defaults. Go to the next track, use the low pass filter at a frequency of 200 and amplify again, and do the same with the last one using a cutoff frequency of 750. Amplify. Now go to Tracks and Mix and Render after selecting all of them. Add another phaser effect. But change LFO frequency to 1 and depth to 100. And we're nearly there. You can change the speed by 100 to get a kind of laser pistol sound. Let's just undo that. And pick a bit from the middle of about 0.025 seconds and duplicate it. and slide it to the front. And then use effect repeat with the value of 20. And then select the new track and use fade out. Now select the first track, use duplicate in the edit menu and cut it out and place it about 0.007 seconds to the right. That's it. This tutorial is based on a video by Stephen Cameron, and it is basically thanks to him that I stopped worrying and started loving Audacity. Remember to like and favorite this video if you want to point it out to your followers. I would love to discover more great things that people made in Audacity, so feel free to comment or send me links via email. And if you want to watch some more concise Audacity tutorials, check out my playlist of such. Cheers!